This is a Handful Players production. Improv is a theatrical technique where actors perform a piece, whether it be dance, music, or theater, that is not planned and is not scripted.
Hey everyone, my name is Miss B, and today I'm going to teach you how you can make improvised scenes at home. The first thing you're going to need is 3 pieces of paper and something to write with. If you have a different color, if you have 3 different colors, that would be the best case scenario, so you can keep the things that you're going to write on the pages separate. We're going to record on your first piece of paper a bunch of different relationships. It does not have to be the relationships that I wrote down. You can write down whatever you want. So, for example, what I wrote was teacher-student, doctor-patient, fan and superstar, and parent and child. Okay? So this is our first piece of paper. On the second piece of paper, I wrote down different emotions. This is going to help us decide how we are going to play our role when we act our scene. Some of the emotions that I wrote down are excited, terrified, disappointed, and exhausted. You can choose whatever emotions you want, and the more you have to choose from, the better. On the third piece of paper, you're going to write down a bunch of different places. I wrote down shopping mall, Disneyland, Golden Gate Park, and a cruise ship. Okay? Once you have all 3 of these pieces of paper, you're going to cut out each option and put them each into piles. If you want, you can fold it up so you don't know which paper you are choosing, but you want to make sure that you keep all of these options in one pile, all of these options in one pile, and all of your third options in one pile. So you want to make sure that everything is separate because you're going to be choosing one piece of paper from each pile to start your scene. If you don't have access to scissors, that is okay. You can always fold where you want to cut in half over and over again and make that crease really, really tight, and then you should be able to rip the paper how you would like it to be torn. Okay? So if you don't have scissors, that's okay. You can tear off the pieces of paper that you need to make your different options. So I have all of these different papers now, and I'm going to fold them up and leave them in different piles.
Now we have 3 piles. We have emotions, places, and relationships. You and your partner will together choose one of each of these cards. The emotion card is the only card that you need to have 2 of. One for yourself and one for your partner. The other 2 cards, you only need 1. So you will have 1 clear relationship and 1 clear place for you and your partner to start your scene.